have you found, Mikey?
4.
Count them for Mum.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And how old are you?
4.
No, how old are you?
5.
So how many presents should there be?
5.
So how many more do you need to find?
1 more.
Yep.
Behind the TV?
I think there's one behind the curtain. Can I help, Mum? There.
Ben's going to help you, Mikey.
Are they all around here, Emma?
Yep.
Are they all around here then?
Yeah?
I opened them now.
Yep.
Get the other person. I didn't want the Ruby. Ooh, Benton. Could you put my Benton bit away?
Yeah.
And what else have you got? Wrap it fast. Whoa.
No bear!
Look to the side a little bit. Whoa, what sort of bag is it?
Transformer.
Is it Shockwave?
Whoa! Mikey Beans!
Mum, do I get to lift the Mighty Beans?
What are these?
I know what that is, Mum.
Shh.
Mum, I know what
Yeah,
that
I know.
is.
Shush. Huh?
Yay, the big toy!
Yeah.
Oh, what do you do with that?
This is the pop top. Do you? He's the baddie from Buzz Lightyear.
He's not a baddie, is he?
He is in part of it.
Is he?
Yeah. And when they're
Dr. Pop
playing.
Dr. Evil Pork Chop. Where's that cat? What's he doing? What?
Harry Potter.
Can I play?
Where's the Bakugan?
You didn't get it because that she didn't get it for you because she didn't have enough money.
Daddy wants to help me.
Oh, Lego Harry Potter. Cool.
What do you say, Mikey?
Thank you, Mummy.
And